one up, and I'm gonna open that door a little bit. You see how that one's angled out this way a little bit? Sorry, I'm eating. This one's angled out. This one, hold on. This is angled out this way because the sleeves here, this is like close to right here. On that one, it's not. It's a little pushed back. So basically, you have to come in almost perfectly straight. You can't really come in at an angle because the forks won't slide right in. So it's a pain when you're training someone because they don't come in perfectly straight all the time. And see what I did there? I had the forks too low, and since this is plastic, it was just getting pushed back. So you gotta hit the neutral button hard on this because it does not. It doesn't go into neutral that easily, I guess. Straight in here. I can't see anything on that side. I gotta be careful of that wall. See, it's good that it was kind of knocking back and forth because all the bottles were just falling into the dumpster more. This, and now we're going to go to the Potter. Must be a plant place or a pottery place. So this is the old stop, show truck. I think this is behind there's like a Bob's Furniture and stuff. I don't know when that guy's supposed to come. I thought he was supposed to come yesterday. It's weird. So if when I hit the button, it revs to 1400, 1350. So when you pack and drive, it's all about the RPMs. You don't want to rev it above 1600 RPM. It might, eventually it'll burn the pump out. But the new ones, the pump shuts off when you get above it and stuff. But still, when you're packing and driving nice and easy, then when it comes all the way back, you're good to go. So I'm almost positive it's right behind here. This is Bob's Furniture. And then I got Burger King down the street. Well, it's thirsty this morning. Oh, that's our dumpster right there. Didn't look like us. So you don't need to be swinging it out, backing it up. You got to give yourself, as long as you're able to cut the wheel all the way, you could just point in a certain direction and accomplish your turn without making all this extra turning motion with the steering wheel. Especially in like roads with a Corrado can, you'll learn that. Yeah, no, this is property of Grid Sanitation. All right. No wires. Gotta hit that neutral hard. These are my favorite. Open area, no wheels, full in. Revving it. Right to the headlights. Awesome. Alright. Oh, no trucks. I guess I gotta break that rule. Alright, this is always a fun guessing game. I think it's this one. Can't remember. Gosh, that neutral is a pain. Yep, I think I was right. So I mean, it's not at an angle. It's gonna make more noise basically. Like if you level it all the way out and then curl it, once you start doing it, it'll make a little less noise just because of how it's angled and like the way it's hitting the metal. The metal hits each other, but the way I had it, it wasn't that good of an angle. So basically the metal was like flat. So it's gonna make a lot of noise when it hits. That didn't make a lot of noise. But that's what contributes to it. Okay, now we're going to those stops that we could go to, but they just don't have the garbage out or whatever, just a bunch of crap. And now we're going to a hotel. See you there. See you at the hotel, and then I gotta go back out that way. Actually, when I remember right, going that way was a little easier because making a left into this little alley was a little easier. But it's okay, I just gotta get all the way over to the left here. Now, they make a lot of garbage here. They make a lot of garbage here at the hotels. Let's get this moved. I'm gonna try to push that bag down. Hopefully it doesn't fall. So I'll push it down once I get over there. And then I'll put it back. It'll be sitting nice and ready for the other truck. That truck got hit before with a dumpster. Okay. I don't need to shove it down. Okay. All right. So these arms are a little low. They're actually kind of perfect. They're kind of high. So they're both on the bottom. Now I'm just going to curl it up so it's just above. Now we're going to bring it right up as close as we can. This is where the arms, because you want to bring it up flat, not at an angle. So the arms are broad. And then there's a stud at the end. These are always a pain. There we go. The ones at Walgreens, they suck. But I understand why people get compactors at like stores like that, because people go dumpster diving. But the ones they get are horrible. I guess that's it. Oh, that was loud. But if it hits the ground, that means the ground's taking the impact, not the truck. When it just like, if I were to just stop it. So as it comes up, I'm going to touch it with the, because you want to try to keep it even going in. Alright, down, slide on out of there. Keep to the curve. Oh, this camera is awesome. Clear the curve then. That tree right there got caught a couple times, probably. A couple times or one time, because these dumpsters do damage. So if you're gonna pack it, you gotta always remember to, when you have the blade extended, if it's not on an automatic blade, but even on an automatic blade, you gotta manually do it every once in a while when you start getting full. So you want to make sure you retract the blade, because even if your sensors work and it doesn't allow you to dump it, if it stops you above the windshield because the blade's not back, the garbage, if it's loaded, that dumpster, the garbage will fall everywhere. So alright, we're going to Johnson & Johnson next. I'll see you there. Alright, took me a minute to find, but found the building. Where's some garbage? Right here. Okay. These are the big ones. I think the other truck's coming by, so I might as well just open the gate up for him. Sometimes we'll meet up, see who could dump it faster. The recycle guy's been here a little longer than me. Not a little, he's been here for many years longer, but that's because he was born earlier. Nothing I can do about that. Okay. No wires. this and get back to what I gotta do. See you in a sec. I'm right now. No, not like that, but I'm on. No. Yeah, I know. I thought, I was thinking about doing it in my pickup truck, but I was like, ah, let's just get out of here. I was saying though, check GPS. I'm not going to talk too soon, but... Okay. Call me if you... Okay. Gotta love this Blue Parrot headset. These forks are a little twisted. So we got Somerset Airport. We pick up a dumpster there. I just got my medical card like a month ago from that airport. So we're gonna do that. Now I was gonna do that later because I thought it was gonna be darker out, but it's so light. I'm just gonna do that. I have this one. You know what? Let's check the stops real quick, and while we check, we'll pack it. So I'm here. All right, so I gotta get this. It's like an ice cream place. Old York Road. Pack it again just because, I mean, I can see the floor, which is good. You want to keep this thing as empty as possible. That's going to make the day go by sooner. But, and easier, so you're not fighting the hopper. If I made a left, there's a bridge that way, so as a truck you have to come this way. Once it comes back, I'm going to put this up, turn the camera off, and I'll see you in a second.